Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Jenofeve Designs. Today we're going to be doing the drawing for the backgrounds for the Wanderlust that you guys voted for in last month's video. I also have a Black Friday announcement for you guys, and we're also going to be doing the drawing for the set of Caran d'Ache Neocolor 2s from the video last week. But first we're going to start with the Wanderlust backgrounds. So you guys voted and my mom counted them for me. And the backgrounds that won are the Harley script, which will be available in all sizes, bundle, large and medium bundle, and a medium small bundle. And the other background that won is the ode paper. So it'll also be available all sizes, large medium bundle, and a medium small bundle. So that being said, where's my sheet here? There's only 2 backgrounds left, so that's doily and text. So we won't have another vote, but we will still have another drawing. Okay, so I have already got, this is the YouTube random comment picker, and I've already pulled in the video from last month's background drawing, and it's already pulled up the comments. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit start. I'm going to pick 2 winners because we're releasing 2 backgrounds. I'm going to pick 2 winners. So we'll start with the first one, and that is Sedona Cass. Pick doily. Thanks, Jen. Why does that name sound familiar? I feel like I've wrote that name down or something. I don't know. Yours didn't win. The doily didn't win, but you get to pick between the Harley script and the old paper. So you will need to contact me. There's an email down below that is for winners only. I won't answer any other questions that are sent to that email. That is just for drawing winners. So you contact me via that email down below and let me know which background design you would like, and then we will go from there. And then let's see, pick another winner. I'm going to pick another winner and I'm going to hit start. And the winner is Barbara Sabo. Doily is the first I fell in love with. So feminine and vintage. Thank you for sharing your talent and your giveaway. Well, you didn't, your background didn't win either, but you get to choose between Harley script and ode paper. So contact me via that email down below. So those are the 2 background design winners. And the next drawing will be on, let me see, I wrote it down somewhere. The next drawing will be December 20th, 2018. All you have to do to enter that is leave a comment, and on December 20th I will pick 2 winners on that video. And then let's see. So all of these new templates are available in my Etsy shop right now. I will have a link down below. So congratulations to you 2. Now I'm going to go to the video so that I can do the drawing for this set of Caran d'Ache Neocolor 2s. So give me a minute. I'll be right back. I'm going to grab all that information that I need. Okay, so I have pulled that video in and I have pulled up the comments, and now I'm going to hit start. So I will have to check to make sure this person is a subscriber, but that shouldn't take but a minute. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit start and see what happens. So the winner is Maritas Marteza. I don't know. I can't say your name correctly, apparently. You will need to contact me via that same email, and we'll get these Neocolor 2s sent to you. Congratulations. Jen, you have become my Saturday morning cartoons. I mean this respectfully. So look forward to anything you upload because it just makes my mind zip along to creativity. Thank you. That's really sweet. Okay, so congratulations to all 3 winners. If I pronounced your name wrong, I do apologize. But remember to contact me below via that special email. I will have it in the description box. The new templates will be linked below in the description box. But I also have a Black Friday announcement. Today is Tuesday the 20th, and I won't be putting up another video this week because it's Thanksgiving week. So what I thought I would do is go ahead and start my Black Friday sale from today, and it'll last all the way up through Friday. So it will expire at midnight on the, what would that be, 23rd? Is that the 23rd? Eastern Standard Time. All that will be down in the description box below. But it is good for everything in my shop. It is 35% off of everything in my shop. You can use it as many times as you want. It's valid between the time this video goes public to the end of the day on Friday, Eastern Standard Time. And there is a minimum purchase of $20. So I will actually have that coupon code linked in the description box below, where all you have to do is hit it and it'll take you straight to my Etsy shop and it will apply it to your cart. And that coupon code is actually Thankful35. But again, all of that will be down in the description box below. So be sure to take advantage of that coupon code, and happy Thanksgiving to all of you guys. And I hope you guys get to spend time with your friends and family over the next few days. And I hope you have lots of good food to eat. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.